how to change password on Gmail account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you change your Gmail password easily. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. The first thing we need to do is open up the browser or Gmail app on our iPhone or Android phone and select the profile icon in the top right of the app. Click on Manage Your Account under your profile settings, and there you navigate to the Security tab. Under Security, you can scroll down until you find your password management area. Here, click on the password. Now you may have to re-enter your password once more time before you can change your password once you reach this screen. You can enter your new secure password, but remember, this password is now for all of your Google accounts, not just Gmail, but also for Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Documents. All of your Google services are now under this username and password. Click on Change Password, and just like that, your password will be changed. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.